Hey, what's up everybody? Wes here with another quick video. This time we're going to be doing a review of this Fluval 3.0 Plant Spectrum LED light. You can pick this up on Amazon. This one here is the 32 watt version, and these feature programmable 24-hour light cycle settings for sunrise, midday, sunset, and night, all through a Bluetooth setting on your phone. Comes with all the instructions. It's basically a simple setup. You've just got your light bar here. We'll open it up and you can retract it to put right on top of your tank. And it's got different lengths here. It varies per the box, but we'll go ahead and put a tape measure on it just to let you know exactly what you're going to get. So when it's fully closed, the smallest that it can be is 23 1/4 inches, so 23.25. And then when it's fully open, as wide as it'll go, you're right at 34 7/8, so just under 35. But it comes with everything that you see here. Again, it's a pretty straightforward setup. It's just a light bar. It even comes with a cool little metallic sticker. I put that right on top of mine, and it didn't get hot enough to where it affected that. And even if it did, the sticker's pretty sturdy. But I did a little special cutout for my tank lid here. I want to make sure that I can get all 120 degrees of light onto this tank. But really all you're going to do is just set it right up on top of your tank and get it turned on. And it really is night and day difference compared to my last set of lights. They were just some little LED lights that I bought off Amazon and had them sitting on top of some little cutouts. It looks great, definitely low profile, and it's super easy to use through the app. At the time of me doing the recording on this video, I've had this light bar for about 3 months, I guess, and I've done a lot of different tweaks here. You can see I don't run it at very high power, less than 25% for sure. But it's got 10 different unique time settings here, and you can drag the clock around to start different modes at different times. And here's a good overview of what I've got for mine. Again, it just kind of ramps up slowly through the morning, gets more intense during the day, and then it fades out at night. And this is under the Pro mode. You can definitely use Auto if you prefer not to delve into the Pro side of things, but Pro is going to give you quite a bit more options for customization. So here's an idea of kind of what I've got it set for at nighttime, or at least in the late afternoon. So it'll start to dim down like this all the way to a blue light before it actually cuts off. But during the day, the light is super awesome. Again, this is running it at less than 25%, so the plants are loving it. Here's some Java moss that's really took off. Amazon swords in the back are doing really great. I've got an El Nino fern, a Nubius. Here's a little hill stream loach hanging out here on the front. But it seems like the plants really have taken off since getting a decent light, so I'd highly recommend that. This one is a little bit more pricey than most, but really at the end of the day, this is something that's going to work great for your tank. It's going to last, and it's just going to look great. Everything's just going to perform well. It's got a lot of different features, so I really can't say enough good things about it. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to drop those in the comments below. Again, I've had this for about 3 months now, and I do plan on keeping it. So I'll be able to hopefully answer any questions that you may have if you're interested in purchasing this product. I'll have a link to the Amazon link down at the bottom, and you'll just need to pick the appropriate size for the tank that you have. But either way, I really appreciate you guys tuning in for another video. Hopefully I'll get some more content here put out pretty shortly. If you have any requests for future videos, feel free to drop those in the comments as well. But until then, I hope to see you next time. All right, peace.